So recording is starting. Thanks for joining. As you already know, we are delivering on a quite regular base release videos together with our product management. So I'm really happy to have today Werner, the Director of Product Management, together with us, showing the next 11.08.200 version and which components and which fixes have been introduced in that version. So Christian, thanks for joining. What about your view on that new firmware?
Yeah, hi and good day, Sébastien. Hi, IGEL community. Hope you all are doing fantastic, and always a pleasure to be part of the community and have the opportunity to show you some details about our releases. So today I have the honor to tell you the main facts of our next and maybe best IGEL OS stable release so far. And this is the 11.08.200, which will be released and published October 18th. This nice version contains the following base system merges and updates: the kernel 5.17 of our already released 11.07.910 for supporting the Intel Alder Lake-based platforms, and so quite a few of the current devices are requiring that update. In details, we are using kernel 5.17.15, and that offers also support for further Wi-Fi and Ethernet chipsets. And with the kernel merge, we are getting back to one common firmware line in regards of kernel, which makes things definitely easier, of course, also for us. This building driver was also merged and updated once again, now to the latest version 5.6.1, which enables the best possible support of docking stations. As you know, our focus is support of all possible hardware platforms, and offering that for docks is also one of our focus topics in these regards. Further base packages were also updated, so also for sound, Mesa, GStreamer codecs, and for security reasons, also the inbuilt OpenVPN and OpenConnect client are updated and integrated in the current version. Of course, all relevant security updates are included and offered as well, so also the known dirty creed vulnerability is fixed with this firmware. In regards of security, the browsers are always affected, and for that reason, Firefox and Chromium were updated as well. So Firefox comes now in version 91.13 and Chromium in version 105.0.
Hey, Kristen, just a short one, because I know that the question already was raised in the IGEL community.
Yeah.
I know that having all components updated on a zero-day approach is pretty demanding and cannot be fulfilled. But just from my interest, is there a reason why we are going on 91 and not the 102 version?
Yeah, of course, there's a reason. So the 102 version is a little bit different from the architecture, and therefore we need a little bit more time to implement that. Plan is to update the Firefox version to version 102, as mentioned from your side, with the next rolling release in November.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, then let's proceed. More than nice features we are offering from our side with this release. So definitely the main feature is the generic virtual background or blurring feature for webcams, which is usable with all unified communication solutions. So even if this is not supported in the UC solution itself, means virtual background or blurring functionality can be used with any collaboration tool in VDI and also via browser. So a very unique and special feature from our side. So definitely worth to check this out. Highly recommended from my side, as this is really awesome. And as mentioned, one new unique IGEL OS feature.
Definitely. Just jumping in there, because I know that some colleagues already shared their technical preview, at least privately in the IGEL community. So guys, if you were part of the 11.07.199 version, if I remember right, it's definitely worth to check the 11.02.200 because it's included there in, let's say, in a proper way. So this version can be rolled out on several devices. The technical preview version should definitely be deleted and removed from the device, since it's not a supported version, not a tested one. So if you want to use that feature, go for the 11.08.200. And I just want to add, if you have questions regarding the configuration, we will definitely provide knowledge base articles on that and a Tech Tip Tuesday video. So thanks to all the persons involved in that project, because that's definitely a unique selling point at the moment of the market. And I hope that we will stay this way forever. Thank you very much, Christian and team.
Yeah, thanks also, Sébastien, for mentioning that. And one further nice feature is the dynamic default printer feature. So very nice for the hybrid world where users switch from office to home or mobile office. is that the last connected printer will be automatically or dynamically set as default printer. So if several printers are defined, the last connected or plugged printer is used as default. In these regards, it's also worth to mention that also the HP lib driver package we updated to offer also support for the current HP printer and Office chat models.
That's, by the way, we never spoke about that, but that's definitely a huge one, because I know that a lot of people are using that because it's the standard driver and doesn't want to mess around with different PPD files and whatever. So that's definitely a huge improvement, even if it was not mentioned widely, neither in the community. We're really looking forward to that one, because USB printing, network printing is still a hot topic. So also great job on that one. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. And of course, it makes the printer topic in that release complete. So that was also our thoughts behind that. Okay, so our clients updated as well. The main ones in these regards are the Citrix Workspace App 2207, now with support of app protection. That's a nice or a further security feature where key logging and screen capturing via malware is secured in a special way. Composite USB redirection, which allows a specific mapping of functions of the USB device. Very handy, especially for headsets. And now we are offering also support for the so-called E911 feature from Citrix. This enables the user to perform emergency calls directly via Teams. And also worth to mention here, Citrix Workspace App 2209 will then be provided via next rolling release in November. VMware Horizon is included in version 2206, and this version offers now screen sharing and screen control function within Teams. Also, composite USB redirection is now possible with this client. The former Teradici PC over IP Ultra client is now renamed to the HP Anywhere client, and we are offering version 2207 with this release. There's also an updated version 2209, and this will be also offered with the next rolling release in November. The 2207 combines the functionality of the PC over IP Ultra client with the so-called remote boost feature from the HP solution for an increased overall performance. And not mentioned at that slide, but nevertheless very important to know, also AVD is integrated in the latest version to offer the best possible support also for this very nice solution. And of course, the unified communication plugins were updated again, as in every published IGEL OS firmware version, necessary to stay up to date in these regards. So Zoom VDI and Cisco with their JVDI and WebEx plugins are integrated in the mentioned versions. And just in short, like in every IGEL OS stable or rolling release, more clients and partner solutions were updated for offering the latest partner solutions, fixes, and features. More and all details about these are then shown in the release notes of the 11.08.200. And also we have added hardware support. Now with this version, we are offering also the official support for the Dell Optiplex 3000 TC device. This is the successor of the Dell Device 5070 and 3040. So also relevant for us, and we grant our IGEL OS support for this device now and with this firmware. And that's it. So thanks a lot for your attention and have a lot of fun with our new IGEL OS 11 firmware release.
Thank you very much, Chris, for jumping in. I just didn't want to interrupt you. Just wanted to share one additional thing on the Citrix Workspace App 2207, sorry. We had a lot of discussions regarding green, black artifacts, and I wouldn't say even bugs, but some combinations where we had graphical glitches. For everyone who is dealing with that, so 2207 should address most of them, and the fixes introduced in 1108, which was not there on 1107, was private built with 2007. Please give it a try again. 1102.200 can help. And if you're the feeling that it's not working, please feel free to reach out to us in the Agile community, and we will be happy to forward you just a test version with some changes. So in case you are facing such kind of issues, feel free to reach out to us. We will be happy to help. Christian, again, thank you very much, especially you, and like I said, the whole dev team for providing that version. The 2007 was a topic which we were waiting for. I would not say a long time, but we were waiting for with extreme expectations. And on the screen blurring, I cannot tell you how much this feature is cool. So please, guys, test it and big kudos to the dev team and Lars Glöckner and Konstantin Pritzenwalder on that topic. Thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, thanks a lot for mentioning that as well, and always a pleasure. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy the firmware release. And as mentioned, always a pleasure to be part of the community and to present the details of our firmware releases. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Christian. I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.
Same to you. Thanks a lot. Bye.